Imagine waking up and seeing the moon twice its normal size. It looks beautiful, but it's a death sentence. Within days, the very thing that lights up our night sky will become the force that ends our world. Forget what you've seen in Hollywood movies. The reality of the moon hitting Earth is far more terrifying. And it starts with a silence that will haunt you. As the moon spirals closer, its gravity begins to tear Earth apart. First, the tides. We're not talking about big waves. We're talking about 1,000-foot walls of water traveling at the speed of sound. Erasing entire coastlines in seconds. Then, the Earth's crust begins to buckle. Massive earthquakes and volcanic eruptions trigger simultaneously. But here's the twist. The moon might never actually touch the Earth. Once it hits the Roche Limit, about 11,000 miles away, Earth's gravity becomes so strong that it literally rips the moon into billions of pieces. The sky won't be dark anymore. It will be filled with glowing, white-hot debris. For a brief moment, Earth will have rings, just like Saturn. But the beauty is a lie. Those fragments will rain down as a global firestorm, turning our atmosphere into a furnace. If you were standing there, looking up, it would be the most beautiful and terrifying thing any human has ever witnessed. If you had only 24 hours before the moon reached the Roche Limit, what would be the last thing you'd do? Let us know in the comments. This is CognitoUniverse.